Hi everyone! In this video, I want to share a rather unusual project with you. Its main idea is that every stage of its development will directly depend on the market capitalization level of its token. The project is called Fundiora, and for now, it's just a token that connects a whole community of like-minded people focused on the long-term growth of the project. Over time, however, the token will gradually scale, with new tools, products, and even a blockchain appearing around it. Eventually, this will lead Fundiora to launch its own ecosystem. What stands out right away is that all these stages are clearly outlined by the team and directly tied to the token's market cap. Simply put, until the capitalization reaches the required level, the team won't introduce new tools into the project. This way, the idea behind Fundiora is to strongly encourage its community to buy and hold the token, since the future growth and expansion of the ecosystem will depend entirely on investors. At first, this idea might not seem the most promising, but if you look at the numbers, it becomes clear that the team has chosen a truly solid model. If we check the history of the Fund token's growth, we'll see that since its first listing, its price has increased by 3,200%, quite a lot, especially considering the project still has no tools in place. So it's fair to say that the community really believes in the project and actively supports it. And by the way, the token is still growing, which means more and more people are joining in and holding it together. As for trust in the project, the team works hard to keep it high. First of all, Fundiora hasn't hidden its leadership. You can see them on the official project website. The creators of Fundiora are developers from Norway with many years of experience. There are 3 specialists in total, and one of them has deep expertise in AI technologies, which are also planned to be integrated into the project. Besides the team's transparency, I also want to highlight Fundiora's tokenomics. It's designed so that none of the leadership has direct access to fund tokens. Also, 60% of the total token supply was placed by the team in liquidity pools. Nearly half of these tokens are locked and will never leave the pools, while the remaining portion will be used for the project's future development. In addition, the tokenomics includes pools for funding the project, which will be accumulated and used only to launch new Fundiora products and tools. There's also a separate rewards pool, and I'd like to talk about it in more detail. In this project, the team won't just hand out rewards for typical activities or contests. It's much more interesting here. Rewards will be used for airdrops when key market cap milestones are reached. Just like with adding new features, users will be able to receive major prizes for holding fund, but only if it moves to the next stage. This way, the team further motivates us to hold the token, as it gives us the opportunity not only to participate in the long-term development of the project, but also to potentially recoup our investment over time through major prizes from the team. Another thing worth noting is the absence of hidden token sales or closed pre-sale rounds. Everything here is fully transparent, and the token has been available to all community members from the very start. Because of this, we can be sure there won't suddenly appear a large holder who bought tokens cheaply and dumps them on the market, causing a sharp price drop. By the way, even under these conditions, the token has some significant holders. One of them is a fintech company that, according to the team, will implement its own technologies into the Fundiora ecosystem in the future. Taking all these factors into account, it's already clear that the token has a good chance to perform well in the future. According to the team's plans, the blockchain launch will happen in 2027, when the token's market cap is at its peak. That's why, if you don't want to miss the upcoming growth and are thinking about building a long-term portfolio, you might consider buying Fund while the price is still low. To purchase Fund, you can go to the official Fundiora website via the link I left in the description under this video. On the website, you can explore the project's features and of course proceed with buying the token. Right now, the token is traded on Uniswap and you can get it for Ethereum on the Base network. All you need to do is go to the platform, connect your wallet and make the swap. Your tokens will appear in your wallet immediately afterward. Remember, you should only get into this token if you're ready to hold it for a long time. The team isn't offering instant profits. Real rewards are only given to those who actively contribute to the growth of the token's market cap. So if you like this concept, you can always dive deeper into Fundiora and connect with its community on social media. All links to the project are in the description. I'll keep following Fundiora's development and will definitely share all major updates in future videos. Thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you found it interesting, and drop a comment with your thoughts on this concept. See you in the next videos.